Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on today? Well, I got a 2014 GMC Terrain, and it's the 2.4 liter inline four cylinder. Customer complaint is it died while driving, and then they had it towed to their house, and they had it sitting there for a little while, and then they had it towed to us. So we get it pushed in the shop, and unfortunately, this doesn't sound good. Let me try to start it for you so you can hear it. It's got 182,000 miles on it. But let me try to start it, and then I'll explain what we're going to do. All right. Ready? Listen. Okay. Let me go out underneath the hood. Because this is one of those where you can crank it, you hit the key to crank, and it'll continue to crank for a period of time. Oops, at least it should. That don't sound good. So anyway, we told the customer, sounds like it broke the timing chains. You need a motor. They want us to pull the valve cover off and absolutely make sure. Okay. I'm telling you what it is, but you want to pull the valve cover off, that's fine. This thing has zero compression, so it sounds like it smashed the valves and stuff like that. But let's pull it apart and see what we got. I did have to put the battery charger on it. Like I said, it sat at their house for a period of time. But to get the valve cover to get it off, I got to take this air box out. There's a clamp down here. Or air silencer rather. So we're just going to take this off, take that upper engine cover off, and this way we can actually get to the valve cover. Let me take the charger off of this thing because we don't need that to be there. All right, so I got everything off of here. Now check this out. Yeah, that's the timing chain coming through. All right, we got to take the coils out. I don't think we have to take the actuator solenoids out. Yeah, I think the valve cover goes around it. But we got to take the coils out, and that fuel line bracket has to come out right here, if I'm not mistaken, or undo the clip here and just move the line out of the way. Then this vacuum hose here. Yeah, so let's start getting this stuff off and then get this thing out of here. All right, so I got this vacuum line out. This is actually a purge line. To disconnect these, see that? You push on that part and it releases the lock inside, and then this way you can pop these off. This I'm going to have to just finagle with and leave it in place. But I got the coils out. It's just the 4 connectors and the 4 10mm bolts. Got those out. Like I said, I can leave those solenoids in place because the valve cover goes around it. I'm not going to be super clean with this thing because obviously this motor is totaled. But yeah, let's get the bolts out that hold the valve cover in place, and then let's get this valve cover off. Okay, so I got it loose, haven't pulled it out yet. I'll take the fuel line off, let's see. Okay. All right, well, it doesn't look like it actually broke the chain, so it's in place. But yeah, all right. All the rockers are in place, so that's actually a good sign. But I still am pretty confident this thing hit valves. With that kind of mileage, I wouldn't even bother. Let's move it down here. Yeah, I can almost pull this chain off without doing anything. Yeah, there. Yeah, it's shot. It's absolutely shot. I wouldn't take a chance on anything with this. There's your rockers. Seeing if I feel anything. Oh, yeah, this one's falling out, which that normally means, yeah, the valve is down. I know you can't see it, but the valve is actually down. Look at the spring height from this one compared to that one. And see that? The rocker arm falls off. So the valves are bent because they're hanging open. All right, this one's toast. just as we suspected. So, yeah. And I mean, how long was that thing making noise for to grind a hole right through the valve cover? Oh, look, you can see everything behind it. Look at that. All right. I'm gonna wrap this one up. Or whatever the trumpet thing is. Anyway, she's done. She's totaled. All right. Hopefully you got something out of that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.